Hi, my name is Larry Newman. I'm an upstate New York lawyer. Our practice concentrates on DWI and criminal defense. Today I wanted to talk to you about what happens if you have an old out-of-state DUI charge and you tell me that it's been expunged, or you got ARD like in Pennsylvania, or adjudication has been withheld like in Florida. Well, what that means is that you don't have a criminal conviction on your history, and that's great. But they're always going to be able to see what's on your history, and I'm going to tell you why. Because on the Department of Transportation records, on DMV records, so in Florida it's called the Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles, it's going to show up on that. So it's still going to show up that you had a DUI. It's not going to show up as a criminal conviction for a DUI, but it's going to show up that you had some type of drug-related or under the influence-related charges. And that is still going to be taken into consideration by New York State. Remember, if you have a past, it's usually going to show up, even if you had it as a non-conviction, had the record expunged. Doesn't mean it's completely clean, because you always have that motor vehicle record. And motor vehicle records never ever go away. They don't get cleansed. So it's still going to show up even in the future. And that's why we have to talk about it, we have to think about it, and we have to think about how we're going to strategize about it for a current DWI or DWAI type case in New York State. We can't not think about the past, because they're going to bring it up and we're going to have to talk about it. And it's probably going to have impact not only upon your DWI case or DWI drugs case, but it's probably going to have impact upon your driver's license. Remember, New York State's going to do a look back period, and they're going to talk about or think about whether they're going to relicense you in the future. In other words, remove suspensions and revocations from your license. And part of that is going to be whether you have a history of alcohol or substance abuse. If you have questions about your DWI case, DWI drugs case, these are the types of cases that we handle, either give us a call, shoot us an email, or fill it on our website. I'd be more than happy to discuss it with you. And thanks for watching this video.